Hi, welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio Music Paradise, and I'm just going to do an SWR check on the Tram 1499 no ground plane antenna, about 15 feet off the ground. And just letting you know, I have it on the SWR set. It's right on the needle there. Let me see, let me just there. Double check that again. Where that just the hair. It's so finicky. Okay. Still gotta go down just a hair. Okay, that looks good. And I'll show you the SWR. It's like 1.2.5 to 1. It works really good. So that's the Tram 1499 SWR readings on the unit of 980 SSB on AM channel 20. And it's pretty much low. I can go down channel 1. I'll have to readjust that. It's a little bit higher on the lower channels. It might be because it's not the top part is bouncing, it's the mast. And the higher channels it's a little lower. So it's 1.5 or less on all the channels. So it's working really good. Let me see if I can get the I got another radio going here real quick. Okay, and I'm also running two sets of 18 feet on the package that says 18 feet or 50 feet. I ran two sets of 18 with a barrel connector UHF PL SO239 you just run, and I got a one section RG8X going out the window, and I got another section Mini 8 going to the antenna. And you see the SWR results are very acceptable, and it's got pretty good receipt too. I'm very surprised, at least on DX. So it's picking up just as good as this Kenwood here on the dipole. So anyway, that worked pretty good. I need to go up a little higher and secure it a little better, but anyway, it works good. It's doing what it's supposed to do. So Tram 1499. I think there's also a Workman Saturn antenna that's equivalent. So anyway, I'm happy with it. It works good for what it is. So 73.